Hello, let's look at how to connect Contrast and Paladin Cloud. Step 1, log into both. Log into Paladin Cloud with admin access and navigate to the plugin page. Choose Add Plugin, then select Contrast. Next, log into Contrast Security. Step 2, create a user. Select the organizational settings, then navigate to Users. Click on the Add User button. This user will only need API access. Fill in the first name, last name, and email. Select Edit as the organizational role. The rest of the fields won't matter, but make sure to check the API only box before you hit the Add button. In step 3, we're going to copy the email and secret key. Copy the new user's email and paste it into the email ID field in Paladin Cloud. Next, back in Contrast Security, copy the secret key. You can click the API only link to access this, then paste it into the corresponding Paladin Cloud field. Step 4, copy the organization ID and API key. In Contrast Security, choose User Settings. Under Profile, find your API Keys section. Copy the organization ID and paste it into the corresponding Paladin Cloud field. Next, copy your API key and paste it into the API Key Paladin Cloud field. Step 5 is add the plugin. Select Add Plugin. Wait while the two platforms are connected. If connected successfully, you should now see the plugin in your plugin list. You should begin seeing data pulled in on our next scan. If you run into any issues, check out our troubleshooting documentation or contact our support team. Thank you.